Welcome to the Clinsoft Batch Management tutorial for educators. In this video, we'll guide you through how to manage batches, students, and communicate effectively using the platform. First, log in to your Clinsoft dashboard. On the navigation bar of your Clinsoft dashboard, you'll find a tab called My Activities. Click on it to navigate to the My Activities page. Here you'll find three options: training, assessment, and placements. Since you're focusing on your clinical placement, select the Placements tab. You'll now see three tabs: Active, Upcoming, and Completed. Active shows the currently active placements. Upcoming shows your future placements. Completed shows placements you've already finished. You can view any tasks that needs to be completed in the Pending Actions section. To review an active placement, navigate to the Active section and click on the placement name. This will bring you to the Activity Batch page. Here you can view the placement details, including the name of the placement, the facility, commencement date, number of students, and total hours. In the Students tab, you can see the list of students, track their progress, and view pending assessments or resubmitted assessments. To evaluate an assessment, click the Evaluate button. We will cover the evaluation process in a separate video. To communicate with students, you can send a private message to a particular student by clicking the private message option next to their name. If you want to send a message to the entire batch, including instructors and admins, use the group message option. In the Student Docs section, you can find the prerequisite placement documents submitted by the students. If you click on the Roster button, you can view the dates, hours, and buddy entered by a particular student. Next, in the Educators tab, you can see the assigned educators. If needed, you can assign or reassign educators by selecting an educator from the drop-down menu. If you are the required assessor, you can add yourself. The Facility tab provides detailed information about the placement facility, including contact details. You can also view and download all essential documents provided by the facility here. In the Roster tab, you can view the dates, hours, and the buddy each student completed their tasks with. You can verify the details by clicking the Verify button. To import a roster, use the Import Roster option, or to import makeup days, use the Import Makeup Days option. Additionally, you can manually add makeup days using the Add Makeup Days option. In the Placement Documents section, you'll find all essential documents related to the placement provided by the Institute. Finally, in the Risk Assessment section, you can add a new risk assessment by clicking the Complete Risk Assessment button, filling in the details, and then clicking Save. To view completed risk assessments from the facility or educator, you can refer to the table below. And that's it. This is how educators can efficiently manage batches in Clinsoft. Thank you for watching and happy learning!